No way. Is this real? Worth the walk back.
This entire video is generated with AI, and no, this is not a real commercial. Everything you just saw, the person, product, environment, and camera movements, is all AI generated. But look at the realism. The skin doesn't have that typical AI plastic look, the product looks real, and even the lighting and reflections feel like they were captured with a real camera. And here's the crazy part. This was my first time creating a complete, realistic AI marketing video using this workflow. I started with images, used Seedance 2.0, upgraded key shots with Seedance 2.5, fixed individual problems with AI, and edited everything in CapCut PC. And today, I'll show you exactly how I made it from scratch. So, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. So first of all, click the link in the description. First, download CapCut PC from the official website and open CapCut PC. Everything you'll see today, from AI image generation to AI video creation, editing, scene refinement, and final export, is done entirely inside CapCut PC. Instead of jumping straight into video generation, I always begin by creating all the visual assets first. This gives me much better consistency throughout the entire project. So, I open AI image, then select GPT image 2. Now I paste my product prompt, select 4K resolution and high quality, choose the aspect ratio, and click generate. It starts generating the product images, and here's the result. As you can see, the images are highly detailed, with clear and accurate views from every angle, perfect for creating a consistent video. But I don't just need one image. I need different angles and scenes because these images will be used as references later. Using the same process, I generated a few more. A product close-up, a lifestyle shot, a character shot, and different environments. Now I have all my basic assets. And this is where we turn these images into an actual video. So, I open AI video, and as you can see, Seedance 2.5 is available here, one of the best models right now. It can generate a native 30-second single-segment video and supports up to 50 multimodal reference assets. And of course, we also have Seedance 2.0. which we all know is a great and fast generation model. So, I'm starting with Seedance 2.0. I attach all the images I just generated as references and tag them in the prompt box. Then, I paste in my prompt with timestamps. And don't worry, I'll share all the prompts in our Discord server. After that, I select the duration and resolution. I'm going with 4K, then choose the aspect ratio and make sure audio is enabled. Finally, I click generate, and it starts generating the video. And here's the result.
No way. Is this real? Worth the walk back.
As you can see, the product stays consistent, the character looks natural, and the camera movement feels smooth and cinematic. The lighting, details, and overall quality are already impressive, especially for a video generated entirely from AI references. Now I want to extend this video and create the next scene starting exactly where the first scene ends. For this, I can use the existing video as a reference and choose Seedance 2.5 to generate the next scene. CapCut PC also has an AI extend feature, which is powered by Seedance 2.5. So, I simply click AI extend, enter my prompt for the next scene, and select the duration based on what the scene requires. We can generate up to 30 seconds. Then I select 1080p resolution and click generate. Within a few minutes, the next scene is ready. And the best part is that it continues directly from the ending of the previous scene, keeping the motion, character, and overall visual continuity much more natural. Now, let's generate the video with Seedance 2.5. This is the part one was really interested in testing. Instead of giving the model just one image and hoping everything stays consistent, I can provide multiple reference assets. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 multimodal reference assets, so I can combine my character reference, product reference, environment, visual style, and other assets. Then, I enter my prompt with timestamps to control each part of the scene and keep the results consistent without broken or random shots. After that, I select the 30-second duration, 1080p resolution, aspect ratio, and the number of generations, then click generate. And here's the result. As you can see, the references work together really well, the character and product stay consistent, and the scene feels much more controlled and cinematic. Before showing you the final result, I want to fix one small issue. As you can see, The same text appears twice in this section, so I need to remove the duplicate. I simply select that part of the video, click AI Edit, and describe what I want in a simple prompt. The AI Edit feature also uses Seedance 2.5 to deliver better results. Finally, I click Generate, and here's the result. As you can see, the duplicate text has been removed, and the video looks much cleaner. Instead of regenerating an entire video every time you want to make a small change, you can extend the story or refine specific parts of an existing scene. Now I have all my footage, but generating the clips is only the beginning. The next step is turning all these individual shots into a real, polished commercial. This is where Edit Pilot makes things much easier. Instead of arranging everything manually, I can simply describe what I want using natural language. For example, I can tell it to create a premium product commercial, improve the pacing, highlight the best product shots, and add smoother transitions. Then Edit Pilot automatically starts organizing the clips into a complete sequence. But I don't stop there. I bring everything into the CapCut PC multi-track timeline for the final edit. Here, I add the music, sound effects, captions, transitions, and branding. I also remove any shots that don't add value. Because with AI, you might generate 20 different clips, but you only need the best ones. So I choose the strongest shots, fine-tune the timing, sync everything with the music, and make sure the product remains the main focus. And here is the result.
Way, is this real?
Some things are worth leaving the ship for. Pure moon water from the first sip.
Real moon water. This is exactly what I needed.
Pure moon water. Every time.
It's actual moon water. I'm not even joking.
Lunaris. Pure moon water. The no one out of refreshment.
Check out the result, it looks amazing, especially the moon and earth shots. They look incredibly professional and realistic, almost like they were captured with a real camera rather than generated by AI. And there's one thing I learned from this experiment. Don't just look at the cost of one AI generation, look at the entire workflow. How many times do you need to regenerate? How much footage is actually usable? And how much time are you spending fixing mistakes? The goal is better first pass results, fewer revisions, less wasted generation, and a finished video faster. That's why I like this hybrid workflow. Seedance 2.0 for fast supporting shots. Seedance 2.5 for important sequences. AI Edit and AI Extend for fixing and extending. Edit Pilot for faster refinement. And CapCut PC to bring everything together. So, did you actually think the opening was real? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to try this workflow yourself, check the CapCut PC link in the description or pinned comment. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe, because I'll continue testing new AI tools and showing you the best free workflows to create amazing AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.